The Vivo X300 has been spotted running Geekbench early today, leaving details about Dimensity 9500. The new chip, which will be announced on September 22, one day ahead of the Snapdragon 8 LE Gen 5. But it will not be the only notable chip inside the X300 series. Vivo will integrate its in-house V3 imaging chip. This chip will allow the Vivo X300 series to record cinematic portrait video at 4K 60. This will be first for both Android and Apple's phones. Third hand, the latest iPhone series limit portrait cinematic video to 4K 30. So by doing this, as similar to the last year's Vivo X200 phones, more details about the video capabilities of X300 will be revealed in the coming days. Vivo has worked with ARM and MediaTek to enhance the NPU inside the Dimensity 9500 chipset. This will allow very fast computation on tasks such as focus tracking. The X300 series will be able to achieve millisecond level motion tracking and shutter response. The Dimensity 9500 chipset will make Vivo X300 series the first phone to crack the 4 million points on AnTuTu. There's more exciting news. The Vivo X300 Ultra will be the world's first phone with two 200 megapixel cameras.